Nkwasiafuo. Edipa no eba polling station was so mo bebu obi na kofa wo. Madwuma ne so mo beku obi. Wo mo beburu obi.
Pasin tell Kwasiawe. Akwala we ti be here. And akakakakaka. Pasin tell be wiase na. And this Jimmy say yeah all these years.
Ebia na obenya for killing that woman. Prosifo ya call nobody has any edua kura obi engete.
O pasin tell na me my platform ma be ye nipa. And also boys in them after me. MPP nya violent party. If we don't prepare for Akotia, ni Jimmy pa. Some people am prepare for Akotia. Na mo say ya. And you from General Secretary Chairman. Ever see the last person at the national headquarters. So be abeko.
Kana mo ya rise. Nkwasiama we Nkwasiafuo te say nipa no eba polling station. Nkwasiama ya mo nwene.
Eye wo mu Jimmy ya de bi o mu Jimmy. Basin tell to jeep. Ni pay yes say. Basin tell nya sika free on ya to jeep wa. Wa label no basin tell. Nti basin tell so nyansa.
I don't care who is in power. Let's behave like civilized people. This madness you display at polling station. We ma me unu say gam na Nkwasiama.
Sa obi wu a yes na yire mra mesi na ne. Hey, ade ba no. Hey. Ade na mu entertain sanse front mu entiti nkrofo so mu nko mu kunu no ma na o yire.
Na abusua after segment me ho ase e ma no homene so e wo Ablekuma North na no dafia da batwa e ko so me no nam so abodefo macho men storming one of the police station e ko bu ye maame Hawa Koomson tutu o monan e wo maame ya sis won so ko da Yaresabia hospital me na me ka say yes ye yi maame no ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ne MPP mpanifo ni bi akwakwa maame no ene enyo no nko a ye maame Nana Akua free yo no so gina ma osona manyoku mpanifo akwakwa no me na me ka say Okatakyie Afrifa-Mensah akire mu say akwati abato a ye ba beto enche bia no ebe yidu ndai MPP mebunu mu ma mo so ma ena me ka say Prophet Kofi Oduro ene tie untia ubeti dadi ubanka wabeka sajiri mso manga na de bi ya kaji wa brabom na ehu videos wo ha me di videos ni pictures bi ebrewa message so ba no subscribe no share na busunya na tumi akoso ayekese na before media exclusive videos ensema yekoso ni bi ede ebebero no. This episode is proudly brought to by Charistic Company Limited in Zaman Capsules no kwadi bi ye bema na ohemia bema wagudie gina mpam so hu uyo bi asisi yade ne okoto afade no aka sexual weakness low sperm count yade be ja so do yero komutwu a ekompam sisi na te ohu asane agufo mane insuo etotoi awo eka no ho sana na osasa bro wu ba bia mfanfa ojonku eyo akwadi Zaman Capsules bi ndo ya da uskun isu FDA aywe madi atum se ye open do to akofamasi herbal stores a wonsa abeka mpanimfo ndo ya deda uskun isu ebi na abusia yamra yensam ne so na ye nyina ebe kaye na no dafia da na etwam no ana na chese abatuo bi ekoso ewo Ablekuma North ene electoral commission chidimu se na no da December bosomi na etoso dumi ne da na etoso enson da no da abatuo ayekoto ye me no nam so Ablekuma mentemi ho asisi ye no na no dafia da na mpanifo ebi ekwamu se ye nkoto na emfiri ho ma abatuo ekoso kama na ye nim ba bi abode efu betwomen omufiri nani Hawa Koomson omobo ne papa medical de ho ma ne bone de abrewo e mama mi ntie bejiri mu se ya je na to hospital ma ye yi no ma na me ka sei yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia eni MPP mpanifo akọ maame ne nase akwakọhwe ne so wo de mo nkomakoma envo mu yam na MPP e beba power bibia betumi yi pe yo na ene enyo no nkoye maame akua free ye ni MPP mpanifo aye vem buo mo no mpanifo akọhwe mu na eno mu na Okatakyie Afrifa nso ababekasa wo ho
yetimi ma basin tell Kwasiawe akwala we ti be here and akakakakaka basin tell be wiase da be ohun dia be da be na motimi atena ma we mu hwehwa ye we mo yini friso mi ana mini pa no fi yini friso no ye o jimi do eti General Secretary the boys must come back on track Quincy Momo amusa betwifa yeso wakotia misi munyina mo be sori afiri national and I'm telling you that one I'm telling you momo amutwifa yeso wakotia and I know so mutwifa yeso wakotia Davida ye nyina empentokwa nemom di if said do mo ye ne total circumvention and in the minds they are reorienting your people that MPP is a weak party and then most of our go be actually say we shall go to Akotia and we shall put the diamond on the ring okay. Na basin tell the moto na ye ayi wo mo win election ya basin tell to jeep alebo no basin tell ye win election ya yo enrechi ya basin tell to jeep alebo no wa customize basin tell Enrachia, obey si wonu abusa ne se ni pay yesay. Etu onya sika ne free he. Basintale nya sika free on ya to jipwa. Wa lebo no basintale. O madwini mu ohenti. No mo hunu sika denti. Sika no kura foforo mo. Na ka ya public servant. A basintale ye beto aba ya no yusu Highlander da dem. Moka ya. Ene ye to aba wi e wa to jipwa lebo no basintale. Eso ko ka sisi Ghana fo no beka so wagimi. Wonu awu busa se wonya sika wo he. Na me hodi wo mo ayida no. Me twi me Range Rover papa bia. Yes, I had na we twi Range Rover. Wagimi. Waja 5k the trick was a cock and hold. Maintain composure. Easy. And so no the Dubai. Me no ka say the Dubai. When I'm here, me no ka say cock and hold, no cock and hold bi. Oko Dubai. And you may hold Dubai. We tell want na moto ne soko. Omo da so tisi so. Eti mo wo basintale social media hono mo nko we wato jeep. Brand new jeep or de basintale abo akire. E say wo sheda ba twitwi moto no a no aja akotwi jeep. Basintale. Basi wo de minimum ase. O ba me hunu mi suro kapra. One person akura mi suro. Now we almost feed you go say one video as a political power. And funny enough, you win election we are. Now we 2016. Say an MPP for the budget. Say we win we say an budget. Okatakyie the people will mind you again. And that's what political power is. Now after a year, reality was setting. The people will no longer fall for the gimmicks. And by saying you will be exposed. There will be some who command the chain. In 2016, Samia Oku was commanding the grounds more than you. And then Samia Oku commanded why. And she was intellectual answer. Maybe you command who's your answer. Who Chimidodo? Ampo. Now, Jimmy, it will come back and bite you. Because they see as a political power, you are one of the first people that the other party will target. And you can't run. They will make an example out of you. And is that what you want? Young man, fine guy, potential, heavy. Because of a personality. You made a personality natural. And when you've gotten the attention of the masses, 5K men, cock and hold. Why not? You know, be immune to two. Cock and hold. You know, let me tell you, any panas more kind, they make sense to me.
Now, and I know that question, which is another question. Yeah, Papa Prophet Kofi Oduro, any tea, undia, ubeti, that you bank on so Kasachi, Mangana, Yakechi.
I don't care who is in power. Let's behave like civilized people. This madness you display at polling stations is unnecessary. We mami unu se gamna Nkwasiafuo. Moya diam ye na afra. And this is what happens. If you no eba polling station also omo bebu obi na kofa awom. Yeah. Wa ma dwuma ne so omo beku obi. Wa mo beburu obi. They proved it. Iti obi maame no a wo se wa ya obone ne ho ya washi viri so wa banda danim no edie na obenya for killing that woman. I want to ask, edie na obenya for killing somebody's father, what will you gain? But the saddest part of all that is that the police stood helpless. Don't blame them. Don't blame them, because me kwa America, me drew up on them who proceed for them said that's right. American police have 2 pistols, one here, one there. British police same 2 pistols, one here, one there. Proceed for your call, nobody has any ediakura will be engaged. Ediakura will be engaged. Police in Ejina no, I say you are interdicting in here. Our grounds on so. So I want to. Why do we need an IGP to come to a polling station? Ghana moya rise. What is an IGP doing in a police station? So what is the use of that district commander in that small community? What is the job of the Greater Accra commander? Sad. Nkwasiafuo, Nkwasiafuo to send nipa no eba police station. Nkwasiafuo sa near the Jomas. It's so sad. Now my banya bubu binia brother. This is 66 years. The mutimi yeni. And kolakure good nursery school nyewi. Nkwasiafuo. No, they will not do this. The decision to interdict that officer was right, but wrong timing. You demoralize the other men and women. They got a message. My na we no mre. Ima me bibi ni abeyi medi. Me ma meti ekura se market ya na mde no. You demoralize the men. They stood helpless. And hooligans and criminals had their field day and walked away free. Ghana, Entiasiabo. It would not say mechanipa no could in Yamransam no. Cano pay me your hair casa. Yeah. Ubruni Frad yenu see impunity. Will be dear Bakoma someone a bosom. Chris will him say BBNC. One more call ye, your children a juada, ya de do call court, and the yamma will be 40 years in prison. Wouldn't you say next time we afraid will be able? Because Yamaya Monune, Tia Mama Mranye Juma.
I will say any omunkwa any. Inano da United Showbiz Bulldog nimpenifo ewo UTV Showbiz so echero madwen ewo nano double kumanof abato a ekọ so man mentemi ho asisi ye nimpenifo so akasa ewo ho
enti wona wote wona wo so wo ye macho man ni abebo pa se kona kobu baby o macho no fa ko peja masre eno kra ne mfa so wo so ya empress we are see masre say no so wo ahoden a fa ye bibia mfasode wo so fa kodo fa ye nyema mfasode wo so na wo mo bi be she okutupa me catch your empress and Romeo Kasano ka say me say o wonder I hear ye de mom empress every kwesike de masanko for bia 2000 Ghana po enu Jesus
oh kitwari
abom
ko death and life
so onye adwuma nti
wo di wo kra atu ama politician me say eje keka sa politician obegja wo ho
one time
akọ obe si me no ka say ebia sa politician na wa ba o pa se kona ko dia to trasem no me yire ne ma wo mu nti krom how some of them have dual citizenship for crying out loud.
Of course
it's true some
and you sacrifice yourself say yabo me pass obi kwa akoto abato de baby a Ghana si say ya fefia ba bedui
and
bia ne social media nti we asia kiti
sorry I just want to say
oh
my can be on me can
what's andrew
baby me can say mo who say we ask on ye buy ye be share bibi 99% of yasia yeah you are seeing na di me I'm not part of those people. I think differently. One of the course no. You better me stopping it easy. One I say mama babeka no. Makasa me can. They have other ways of saying say oh they all can there. And to me yes sir. Mama be say asemo. Say in your shows. Your screen. Screen was it be as a stone boy performer on it. Me say me. Some say election you free and fair. Muna muka wo enye me na make selection free and fair yen fa screen into wo say u back pin no press mama u back pin na you yes that be me bawo sa box na u kwa gine mu no mpatro say his excellency John Dramani mama ko box mo kwa vote ma Akufo Addo na thank you what I'm trying to say is say some of these things who consider say protecting the ballot no
Apart from that, no Empress, send your make no say we are see about the ketua binti na dey see Afghanistan.
What did the Ghana say?
Try you say about the tour bar and some kanya your politicians need be the tour form no Empress prior to by-elections, where in some of the politicians, that is what has instigated this violence. And you do or die, and that protects the ballots with your life. Go there and where?
Your system be over to me at the fear crowd.
I'm saying we can lead the way. But do you know Dubai?
You were supposed to be
Dubai. Who said Dubai? Yeah, 50 years ago, Dubai was just sand.
Yes, and
it took somebody who thought differently. Say the American
meeting.
Mpacho, SWAL government nearby no. Oh, don't know. Some Dubai. Both BB. Yeah. Thank you. Design the omoye and Kosi Bebia. But it took somebody who's a genius and saw that no. So they were down trying born and you know, yeah, the BB say very nice. Water BB. But that's what I'm saying. We cannot continue in 2025. Dang. Protect which ballot? For who?
For who?
What are you going to get? What are you going to gain? You can't fool
Empress and some kaya and then the social media. You see, some of these politicians are very funny because social media and some of it. Where are the boys? Let's move. We are heading to Ablekuma. Who you be safe? Who you whine? Gonna be your own.
Empress, meet my
prophet. Maybe you see a nankawaka. Ghana you be a deal. Ghana. Ghana enye political party A na enye political party B dia.
Abusia ensam no ni nyina na makuru chire mabɔ ne tofa de abrewa e na meka say die mpanifo Ghana police fo aba be chire mu se sa ma twmen a omudi se niamo ho nsem ye da so hwehwem ye da so hwehwem a so won say yes jama police ni kura bi ko boss toro ho omu nyina police fo ye ni mom yo na Ghana police chire mu se ye da so hwehwe se mrante ekodi se niamo ho nsem ebrepam no ye de omudi ebebere mu se police fo ni de ba yenso ye de beba na bibia etumi edimu edi police fo de ko so mu ahwe aye pimpim mu ahwe pictures ni bi ni na ho police fo so omu ahwe yo na ye be ko so de ani edi nsem na shida de be to fon bia ba no ye be ma hwefo na etifo hu message so ba no subscribe wo share na busia no etumi akoso akonanim na before meja mekramo ame akono. This episode is really brought to you by Charistic Company Limited. Zamesha ne zaji capsules no kwadi bi oyoba na wohwe me a ma yare dom anase yade enka honto form se bacteria infection bia na abaji ni pedua na kenten so menstrual disorder oba du mfichi kwachi a moja chese iflode ma no mayi a kwaje empanimfu ndu bi be mo gina ona so bibia etumi edi be yi nka boni bia nso afiro ho na bibia no etumi edi mom hindi heba mesha no nso no eba malaria, typhoid, diabetes, so blood pressure ne ade etai kwasoro amfere wase kikabi kire wase lower cholesterol ne bad cholesterol no wadru any hindi heba mesha ye dida o screen so enroi fdi ahwem maje atumi se ye open do etu akofoma se heba store sa unsa ebeka empanimfu enroi ebi efra me dan Kwasi Prince nyame eya doma da se ne bi me be di ehye mu akra